Hello friends, welcome to AgriVoy YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to conduct the agronomy mock test number 9 on Objective of Agriculture by SR Kantwa book. So please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get latest notification. So let's start the video. Question number 191. Heavy shedding of buds and balls occurs in cotton due to first option deficiency of nitrogen in the soil, second option deficiency of phosphorus in the soil, third option deficiency of magnesium in the soil, and fourth option water stress at bud formation stage. So heavy shedding of buds and balls occurs in cotton due to water stress at bud formation stage. That means the correct answer is option number 4. Then next question. In furrow method of irrigation, first option only 1/4 of the furrow is wetted, second option only 4/5 of the furrow is wetted, option number third only 1/2 of the furrow is wetted, and fourth option only 3/4 of the furrow is wetted. So in furrow method of irrigation only 3/4 of the furrow is wetted. That means the correct answer is option number 4. Then next question. Yield advantage in an intercropping system occurs due to the development of first option temporal complementarity, second option spatial complementarity, third option both 1 and 2, and fourth option competitive relationship. So yield advantage in an intercropping system occurs due to the development of temporal complementarity and spatial complementarity. That means the correct answer is option number 3, both 1 and 2. The next question. At field capacity, the water is held at first option 0.033 megapascal, second option 0.30 megapascal, third option 3.00 megapascal, and fourth option 30.00 megapascal. At field capacity, the water is held at option number first 0.033 megapascal. That means the correct answer is option number first. Then next question. A value concept was given by first option Sorensen, second option Beckett, third option Schofield, fourth option Fried and Dean. So A value concept was given by option number 4. That means Fried and Dean. Then next question. Which one of the following has organic form of sulfur? First option purine, second option cysteine, third option RNA, and fourth option phytine. So the organic form of sulfur is option number 2. That means cysteine. Then next question. The process of formation of nitrogen and nitrous oxide gases from ammonical fertilizers in soil is known as first option ammonification, second option nitrification, third option denitrification, and fourth option mineralization. So the process of formation of nitrogen and nitrous oxide gases from ammonical fertilizers in soil is known as option number 3. That means denitrification. Then next question. Brassica juneaceae has been evolved after hybridization between first option Brassica nigra and Brassica campestris, second option Brassica nigra and Brassica oleracea, third option Brassica campestris and Brassica oleracea, and fourth option Brassica campestris and Brassica carinata. So the Brassica juneaceae has been evolved after hybridization between option number 1. That means Brassica nigra and Brassica campestris. Then next question. Dolomite is first option CaCO3, second option MgSO4, third option CaOH/2, and fourth option MgCO3 CaCO3. So the dolomite is option number 4. That means MgCO3 and CaCO3. Then next question. Salts in the xylem ducts of the root are carried upward with first option photosynthesis, second option transpiration stream, third option respiration, and fourth option guttation. So the salts in the xylem ducts of the root are carried upward with option number 2. That means transpiration stream. Then next question. The organic residues with wider CN ratios as compared to narrow CN ratios are decomposed at first option faster rate, second option slow rate, third option equal rate, and fourth option faster rate followed by slow rate. So the organic residues with wider CN ratio as compared to narrow CN ratios are decomposed at option number second, that means at slow rate. Then next question. Which form of nitrogen is available in urea? First option ammonical, second option amide, third option nitrite, and fourth option nitrate. So the nitrogen available in urea is in the form of amide. That means the correct answer is option number second. Then next question. At what pH value phosphate availability is the highest in soil? First option 5.5, second option 6.5, third option 7.5, and fourth option 8.5. So at 6.5 pH phosphate availability is the highest in soil. That means the correct answer is option number second. Then next question. Bunchy top in sugarcane is caused by first option root borer, second option stalk borer, third option internode borer, and fourth option top shoot borer. So the bunchy top in sugarcane is caused by option number 4, that means top shoot borer. Then next question. Bacterial diseases are controlled by use of filling the blanks chemicals. First option antibiotics, second option viricides, third option fungicides, and fourth option kelthane. So the bacterial diseases are controlled by use of antibiotics chemicals. That means the correct answer is option number first. The next question. Application of potash increases first option disease resistance in plant, second option resistance for waterlogging, third option frost resistance in plants, and fourth option none of these. So the application of potash increases disease resistance in plant. That means the correct answer is option number first. Then next question. The downward movement of surface soil water is known as first option infiltration, second option percolation, third option leaching, and fourth option washout. So the downward movement of surface soil water is known as option number second, that means percolation. Then next question. The herbicides containing carbon and hydrogen in their molecule are called first option arsenic, second option acid, third option organic herbicide, and fourth option salt. So the herbicides containing carbon and hydrogen in their molecule are called option number third, that means organic herbicide. Then next question. LA cropping means first option growing of pastures in between two widely spaced rows of fast growing trees, second option growing of field crops in between two widely spaced rows of fast growing trees, third option growing of only short duration crops in between two widely spaced rows of fast growing trees, and fourth option growing of only fodder crops in between two widely spaced rows of fast growing trees. So the LA cropping means option number second, growing of field crops in between two widely spaced rows of growing trees, of fast growing trees. Then next question. Relay cropping means first option growing of more than one crop on the same land in a year, second option growing of 3 crops on the same land in a year, third option growing of 4 crops on the same land in a year in such a manner that the following crop is sown before the harvest of preceding crop, and fourth option none of these. So the relay cropping means option number third, growing of 4 crops on the same land in a year in such a manner that the following crop is sown before the harvest of preceding crop. Then next. Thank you friends for watching our video. Hope you find it useful. Please subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.